Good morning, student of class 5th. So we will continue in SST chapter 10, pollution and conservation of environment. So we will study today about soil pollution. Soil gets polluted when harmful substances become a part of the soil. So students, soil also get polluted when there is some harmful substances in the soil. Soils become degraded due to excessive use of pesticides. Soil become degrade. That means it gets spoiled due to excessive use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Dumping of industrial waste from factories. It also gets degraded by when industry dump their wastes from factories and release of untreated water with chemicals in the open land. And also they get degraded when there is release of untreated water with chemicals in the open land. When soil gets polluted, it badly affects the growth of crops and plants and can cause health problems for those who eat them. So student, when the soil gets polluted, it badly affects the growth of crops and plants and can cause health problems for those who eat them. For example, we eat the crops and the plants, so we will get badly affected and can have health problems. It is a health hazard for those who come in direct contact with this polluted soil. For example, farmer, animal and children. One of the common and most serious soil pollutant is lead. So student, one of the most common and most serious soil pollutant is lead. It affects brain development in children and kidney problems in adults. So it affects the brain development in children and kidney problem in adults. Scientists encourage the use of natural fertilizer and pesticides. So student scientists encourage the use of natural fertilizer and pesticide. Next pollution is soil pollution. When sound crosses the comfort level of living beings and disturb the environment, it is known as noise pollution. So student, when there is very loud noise that crosses the comfort level of living beings and disturb the environment, it is known as noise pollution. The most common source of noise pollution are the honking of vehicles on the road, bursting of crackers, and loud music. It can even lead to hearing loss. So student, loud noises, bursting of cracker can also lead to hearing loss. Loudspeaker are also a source of noise pollution. Noise pollution is also experienced by workers who work on machines in the factories. So student, noise pollution is also experienced by the workers and laborers who work on machine in the factories. Loud noise is a source of disturbance. It annoys and irritates people and disturbs sleep. Small children, old people, sick people, animals and birds face a lot of discomfort due to noise pollution. Loud music during marriages, festivals and other celebrations should be avoided. The government has introduced a law for playing music up to a certain time in the night, but it is yet to be implemented strictly. So student, loud music during marriages, festival and other celebrations should also be avoided. The government has also introduced the law to stop the music at night, but it is yet to be implemented strictly. We should all try to control noise pollution to make our environment comfortable and noise free? Can we refrain from the use of loudspeaker and crackers to make our environment not pollution free? Give it a thought. So student, can we refrain from the use of loudspeaker? Can we withdraw from the use of loudspeaker and cracker to make our environment pollution free? Give it a thought. Conservation of environment. So let's understand the meaning of the term conservation. Conservation is the protection of the natural environment, which includes plants, animal, natural sources, and habitats. During the process of conservation, wastage, damage, destruction, and loss of environment is prevented. We have destroyed nature in many ways. We have consumed natural resources at a very fast rate. Therefore, many natural resources may not be replenished in the future. So, student, we have destroyed nature in many ways. We have consumed natural resources at a very fast rate. Therefore, many natural resources may not be replenished in the future. We may even face shortage of minerals and fuels. The ozone layer is getting depleted. Global warming is affecting climate across the world. Glaciers are melting and ocean levels are increasing rapidly. Scientists have predicted that islands like Andaman and Nicobar and Maldives may be completely submerged in a few years. Deforestation is leading to floods and landslides. We have disturbed the natural balance of nature and are facing many environmental problems. So, student, ways to convert the environment. Here are some ways to conserve the environment. Controlling overpopulation. Population is growing rapidly in most parts of the world. Because of this, there is increase in the consumption of natural resources such as soil, water, coal, and natural gas. Rapid consumption is leading to degradation of environment. People should realize this situation and try to control excessive consumerism. Reducing pollution. Pollution is a major environmental problem and it needs to be reduced. Soil pollution can be controlled by using natural fertilizer and pesticide. Biodegradable waste should be used. Biodegradable wastes are substances that can be broken down by bacteria and other microorganisms. So, student, for reducing the pollution, for example, in soil pollution, we should use natural fertilizer and pesticide. And biodegradable waste should be used. Biodegradable waste are those substances that can be broken down by bacteria and other microorganisms into products which are not harmful for the environment. This type of waste comes from plant and animal sources like food, paper, and manure. Non-biodegradable waste are substances which cannot be broken down into non-harmful substances. These cause harm to the environment. So, non-biodegradable waste cause harm to the environment, whereas biodegradable waste do not cause harm to the environment. For example, plastic and glass are non-biodegradable. Plastic have become a big problem. They choke drains and kills animals. This is why we all have to say no to poly bags. Harmful emission from factories and vehicles may lead to acid rain. Acid rain causes severe damage to the environment. It is very harmful for trees, crops, and buildings. To conserve our environment and the natural resources, we should shift to other natural sources of energy. For example, instead of coal, energy can be generated from wind, water, and sun. They are all eco-friendly forms of energy. Noise pollution can be controlled by the rule of no honking. We should refrain from using loud noise, playing loud music, and burning crackers. Thank you, students.